Good morning. I was not planning on vlogging today, but I think I will, because I was going to do a very short video today showing how I make my healthy banana bread. I think I'm just going to turn it into a vlog because I don't have the right ingredients for it, so I've got to go to the shop, but I've got to pick some mandarins and take them up to Carlo's aunt, and I'm just doing various things, so maybe I'll just take you with me. Cat, dog, fighting. Stop it! Go on. Out. All of you. Out. Bye. A couple of days ago, I went to collect our post up at the road at Carlo's aunt's house. Our post doesn't get delivered down here. Nothing gets delivered down here. And that's Holly knocking at the door. Prego, signora. Vini. You are silly. Are you a silly pup? Are you a silly pup? Woo! 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 Anyway, I was saying, yes, I went to get the post and Carlo's aunt very kindly gave me half a cake. Bonus. So I'm now going to go and fill up the cake tin with mandarins and take that back up to her. The garden is coming along nicely. We have got that huge pile of earth that was there and smoothed it all along here. So this has been raised probably by about 10 centimetres now. It's nearly all done. We get a load of fruit, a cabbage and a cauliflower, that'll do. Right, let's have a little chat while I'm walking up the steps. It's going to take me 10 minutes. So, I do get asked quite often to show how I cook something, or would I cook, do a cooking video, that sort of thing. Now, I've always been very hesitant to do that because as an English lady living in Italy, it's a little bit different. Italians are very, very critical about what they eat and how it's cooked, and if you do something the slightest bit different or wrong, it's wrong. And I do change recipes. I don't stick to the original plan. I like to customize things to how I like it, and I don't want to open myself up to criticism. So I've decided I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, maybe it's not so good. Walking and talking. Every now and again I will do a little recipe, but you have to bear in mind these are not going to be classic Italian or classic Neapolitan recipes. These are going to be things that I do, things that I've modified and changed, added, taken away ingredients, using what I can find in the garden or not. I'll give it a go, I'll do a few, we'll see how it goes from there. Didn't knock because sometimes it's just nice to open the front door and find a little present there. So I thought I'd do that. She'll know it's from me because it's the cake tin and the bag that she lent me the other day. It is a beautiful clear day today, although it's quite cool. I am on my way to Piano di Sorrento now. I'm taking the car, so I will turn you off now and see you in Piano. There's very little supermarket here. That's the fruit and vegetable section. Cereal straight ahead. Drinks aisle. This is a very traditional Italian Christmas food. It's bacala. This is salted dried cod, and I don't like it at all. Anyway, let's get some shopping done. This is the deli section. I'm just getting some cheeses to take back to England with me. Some fresh mozzarella here, some lovely cheeses hanging up, and I'm grabbing some of these diavoletti, which have to be cut open and then grilled. And they go all melty, and they either have olives or hot spicy pepper in them. Really nice. Proper fresh pancetta. I might make carbonara for lunch. Then they have this amazing selection of locally made biscuits and cookies and and things. I know that my dad absolutely loves these S's. We just call them S's. They're full of cinnamon and spices and bits of orange, and they're rock solid. Getting a packet of those. Shopping done. Now I need to go to the marble factory and pick up 2 marble crosses for the cemetery. Which I am aware is a very weird thing to do, but when your husband runs the cemetery, it's all part of the job. So this is the local marble works factory here, and this is Stefano. He's going to load the car for me. We've been doing this for years, so he knows exactly where to put. My worry is always if I get stopped by the police when I've got a car full of crosses for the cemetery, how do I explain that to them? Hasn't happened yet. Okay. See, they have all these lovely slabs of marble going up and down their driveway here. Let's go home. Look at that, I found somewhere to balance my camera. It'll probably fall at some point, but it seems to be fairly steady for now. Right. Leave them there. Tomorrow morning, when Carla goes to work, he will move them. But I cannot carry them all up to the cemetery. Are you going to stop? Have you seen me? I've got no choice now. I'm blocking the road. Okay, up to Monte Pedroso. I will be forever grateful for shopping bags that fit over your shoulders. Thank you, Sainsbury's. Let's go home. That's the gym workout for the day done. This video was going to be an experimental cooking video, and it's rapidly degenerated into a normal daily vlog. So I'm gonna carry on, but I'm gonna show you what I'm preparing to eat and drink today. So a couple of videos ago, I ended up making a juice in the video, and I said I don't do this very often, but actually since I made that one, I've started making juices nearly every day. So I'm making one now. A lot of my online friends seem to be drinking pure celery juice at the moment. I can't resist adding other stuff to it. I really should be making lunch for these hungry men. I don't know what to make. Oh, that's bright. Let's go and ask them. Cosa vuoi per pranzo?
Se vuoi fare spaghetti alla puttanesca, poi di salsa ci mette con l'oliva dentro.
Ti piace, Christian? Va bene. Let's go and make spaghetti alla puttanesca. We need tomatoes. These are the ones that we do from the garden. We need capers. We need anchovies, and I can't carry any more, so I'll be back in a minute. We need our spaghetti. Anything else in here? Nope. We need olives. Not really the right type of olives, are they? You see, this is why I don't want to do cooking videos, because I go to do something and I don't have exactly the right ingredients, so I'll use something else, and that's wrong. But I'm going to do it anyway. So you're supposed to use black olives from Gaeta. I don't have any, so I'm going to use green olives, and I don't care. We also need garlic, prezzemolo, parsley. I don't think I have any. See, this is why I don't do cooking videos. Have I got any parsley in the garden? No, because the parsley normally grows here, and there's definitely absolutely nothing growing there right now. First things first, wash the salt off the capers without dropping all the capers down the plug hole. Roughly chop the capers, pretending that the olives are black and have the stones in them. Depit them and squash them with the back of a knife. I've got some garlic and some chili pepper, and I'm going to add, if I can open the everything, anchovy fillets. What's they doing? Okay, we're good. I'm going to add the capers and the black olives. I don't weigh anything, I just pretty much know how much per person to use, so it's not very helpful really, is it? This is why I don't do cooking videos. My batter just ran out, so yeah, I've added my tin tomatoes. Just let it cook for a good 10 minutes or so. We want all this liquid to burn away. Don't weigh the pasta. I weigh the should we move that? Let's put that over there. Right. So I always weigh the pasta. I weigh 100 grams per person. Mix it all together. When your pasta is ready, don't cook the pasta too much. There's nothing more annoying than having lunch ready, calling them in, and they don't come. Maybe they didn't hear me call them. I'll go call them again. Let's see what Carlo's up to outside. I can hear lots of loud rumbling noises. Welcome to our basement. Basically, he's just making sand, which will be used to make concrete eventually, or cement, whatever they need it for. They are machinating this pile of stones, which used to be up against this wall here for years and years. There was just a huge pile of stones here, and he has finally built a little flower bed with it. And leftover stones are going to be machinated, is that the right word in English? And turned into sand. Wookiees time. It's good for Wookiees. It's almost sunset time. Could be a good one today, so I'm bringing my camera with me. Come on, little puppy. Where's he off to? Alright. Carlo is off to get the pellets for our, we have a pellet stove that heats the house. He's going to go up there at the road and he's going to bring them down in his little carrello there. Right, he's back with a whole load of pellets. I have to get these inside. They weigh 15 kilos each. 15 kg a busto, no?
15 kg.
Look, they are filthy. Okay, so that's it. We have finished, and I think it is now time to have a shower.
Yeah.
And
smelly.
Relax.
Faccio schifo. Ciao.
He's very sweaty and dirty. We're going to relax and not move for the rest of the evening. So I hope this hasn't been too boring, but this is sort of like a normal day here. It's not all glam on the beach. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram, and I do stories every day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.